name is Rebecca Allen and I'm Catchment Liaison Officer for Northern Ireland Water. And we're here today at the beautiful Silent Valley to showcase the marvel of water. NI Water clean the water that comes out of our taps for drinking, and we also clean wastewater that comes from our toilets and sewers so that it's safe to go into the environment. But we need science and nature to help us clean the water. So today we have different people from Northern Ireland Water to show how water is treated. So we have people from our lab to show how we test water to make sure it's safe to drink. We have wastewater scientists showing us how wastewater is treated. We have catchment scientists showing how nature can help us treat water through filtering water through a peat bog. So we've had really great support today from people arriving and exploring all our different stands, learning about the marvel of cleaning water.
My name's Karen Lindsay and my role in NI Water is in wastewater and waste regulation. I'm delighted to be here today for NI Science Week, which is running from today, the 16th of February to the 23rd of February. Today I'm here to show people what they can do to prevent pollution to the environment and to give them an insight into wastewater treatment. And I'd just like to thank the public for coming down here today and showing their support.